Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to replace an image in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show replace an image. Now then I show multiple picture. This picture is replaced in the easy tutorial. Now select from first picture, then replace. Now click for a format menu option, then click for a change picture. Now for click, then click for change picture again, then I click for from a file. Now choose any picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. That's it. Then you show first picture is replaced, then again click for second picture. Now go to the change picture option, then again change picture option, then click for a from a file option. Now and choose picture. Now for click, then click for a insert option. That it. Then you show replace picture in publisher, then again third picture in process, the same process for the apply. Now click for change picture option. Now click for a again change picture. Now click for a from a file, then choose picture. Now for click. That is. Then you show replace an image in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.